Somewhat of an adventure coming down this road. You never know what you're gonna get. Every rain washes the road out pretty badly at times. You're kind of in the whoops now coming up this one hill. Been too many cars and trucks on this part of the road now. Gosh, my goodness. It's as bad as I've ever seen it, really. Just when you thought you might get the whole boat ramp to yourself. Nope. Ooh. Well, nothing was happening at Blue Creek, so we came across the river here to fish another spot that I've fished. We got something on this one. Ooh. There we go. Nice little brim. Yeah, we got something here. Yeah. On the old hand line. A little brim in here now. Perfect little bait size. Oh, well, yeah. Was the perfect little bait size. Oh my gosh. You know, when it starts thundering and lightning, man, I head on out. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. We've been having thunderstorms all up and down the river today. So it's how it is sometimes, you know. You can't really always get to your favorite spots the way you want. And you just fish what you can, then go. That's why I didn't go out on the river. Usually days where I'm gonna fish, and I know I want to fish, but I know that there's thunderstorms. I just fish from the bank. Just fish from the bank and then move from spot to spot that you know. And just do what you can, and just, if you don't catch much, that's fine. You can come back another day. And then if it starts thundering and lightning, just get on, go home. Just get on, go home. You know, I wish I could say that I had some fast, efficient manufacturing way to produce these reels and a lot of the products that I make, but nope. Nope. Old school cottage industry, making them one at a time with these two boogers right here, these two guys right here. That's all I got. And to be honest, if I did have some modern factory to make these, I would have to degrade the product for mass production. Some things just can't be mass produced. They have to be made slowly with care. And these reels and just basically everything I make is like that. I'm a craftsman, not a factory.